Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life, and it's the morning of the official opening. Just around 10 o'clock. I've just been told it's not going to happen for a while yet though, because the President's going to be up in Paphos first, presumably giving the seal of approval to the road enhancements they've been doing up there. Which gives me a chance to have a look around here, unfettered so to speak. And as you can see, Cobble Bay Street itself is buzzing. You can't drive down here yet, but the bollards are all up and trees are here now. Can have a look at a tree. And they're masticas, if I remember rightly, which produce lots of shade when they've grown a bit, obviously, without leaving lots of mess. And all the bollards seem to be in place now. Still a bit of work going on some of the restaurants. It's nice seeing people on here again though. So I'm going to have a walk down. I got a call from Demetrius a little while ago. They'd been up until 1 o'clock putting the finishing touches on it. So fair play to them. That gives shops open now. They will be finishing off the exterior in the near future. But you can actually go in there now, which is great. Big renovation work going on in there, obviously. There's Siriani. That's enough of a plug of that. It's quite busy there now. But they're all glad that the tourists can access the strip. These are nice, brightly coloured bollards here. Now these are just temporary ones, so that they can open on time, which will be a replacement like ones that they got at the other end, or is there a reason for the difference in colour here? Either way, they're definitely bollards. Cleo's. See how that junction's getting on. Pretty finished, apart from the concrete block. And the only place there does appear to be a little bit of work still going on, and that seems to be just the spraying of water, is down past Blazing Saddles, so you may as well walk down there. And then on the way back I'll be taking pictures. See, once they've finished here, what they really need is a couple of good rain showers, and that will wash away all the remaining dust, and so you'll be able to appreciate the surfaces all the more. But yeah, they've definitely got trees up all along from one end of Tierra. Which, considering there were no trees there 2 days ago, is quite impressive. Oh, they're doing some serious work at the Calais Resort now as well. I know they've got water in the pool there now, which is quite handy. They're due to be opening fairly soon. Looks like they painted the exterior. Or in the process of painting the exterior. Yeah, someone's actually painting it now. And amazingly, for Cyprus, they got some wet concrete here that hasn't had a car drive through it. Because most of the roads you go to in Cyprus, especially the tracks in the middle of nowhere, well, I think that guy's keeping people off it. Fair play. But yeah, anyway, most of the tracks you see where they've laid concrete down will have had a car drive down the middle of it. So, that was the only bit that hadn't been finished, really. And there's this stuff here, but that's a different project because that's the wider Cobble Bay area. But considering a few days ago when I filmed they were up here, they've done quite well on that too. So that'll be part one of this film. And part two, I'll be chatting with the engineers themselves if they're awake. Hard at work. He doesn't let the sunlight get in his way. Thing is, will he be able to get that bit of polystyrene?
Alive.
Oh, he's dedicated till the end.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Right, the president's here now. Everyone's walking down with him. There's a very loud cat there. And move again.
Así lo ves. Sorry.
Get a posh cars. No need for a number plate here.
Aquí.
I'll get out of the way in a minute. Clap, 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 clap. Clap, 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 clap. Right, now that that's all gone and done, I'm going to see if I can get hold of Demetrius so he can have the engineer's view of how the whole thing's gone. There goes the president. Turns out that there was actually an official opening ceremony just down the road after that film was made, where the linear park is. So probably they were saying congratulations for that as well. I didn't meet Demetrius today, but he phoned me up and I told him to forget about it for now and just to enjoy himself and take a well-earned rest. We've arranged to meet on Monday, so we'll have a roundup of the whole project then. But he did tell me that at 4 o'clock around today, Coal Bay Strip should be open for actual traffic. So look out for that. And we'll see you in the next film.